Your Apple Watch measures activity using 3 rings: move, exercise, and stand. watchOS 7 and later updates have the option to change all 3 activity goals. If you have an earlier watchOS, you're only able to change the move goal. We'll show you both options. First, to change your move goal, navigate to the Activity app on your Apple Watch. Long press on the activity rings. A pop-up will appear. Tap Change Move Goal. Here, you can press the plus or minus sign to increase or decrease your calorie goal. Press Update once you've confirmed your desired calorie goal. To change your exercise and stand goals, you must have watchOS 7 or later. To change these goals, go back to your Activity app. Scroll to the bottom and tap Change Goals. Here, you can also change the move goal, exercise goal, and stand goal. Press Next after setting each goal, followed by OK to finish the process. To close a circle, meet or exceed your activity goals.